We're close to 1,000 people, and we have different offices: Barcelona, Mexico City, Sao Paulo, and Miami. So it's extremely valuable to get everyone together and understand what our mission is, what our purpose is, what we have achieved, and what we're working on. And also to understand the environment that we're operating in, which this year is quite challenging. So it's really, really valuable to get everyone together and to experience and live this event more motivated, more excited, more engaged to achieve our objectives and to fulfill our mission.
I think it's embedded in Factorial's culture, this idea of ownership and self-empowerment. People know they can get things done, even if they have to influence other people. It doesn't matter the layer or the title they have.
Creo que en Factorial hay un sentimiento único que es sobre todo de estima, de cariño, de familia. Y esto lo hacemos porque nos cuidamos unos a otros y eso es súper importante en nuestro día a día. Pasamos muchísimas horas juntos, estamos todo el día trabajando en una única misión y es muy importante que lo pasemos bien y disfrutemos del camino, ¿no?